Here in Hall 5, it's absolutely full of companies that are absolute specialists in advanced materials. We are here at the stand of Kurz, which is a very popular place, has a great design. Johannes, tell us your position within the company.
I'm the product manager for innovative materials and sustainable applications.
Now there's a lot of themes here at the stand. What's the overriding message this stand is hoping to transport?
Yeah, as we say, we're driving engineering for the future. That means we follow different paths. That goes for sustainability, to process engineering, to overall meet and match the requirements of our customers.
And what are those products, what do they look like? Where do you see them?
Yeah, we see them in many applications in interiors, but also more in automotive exterior coming. We have sustainable materials, we have process, we have everything here to show our customers solutions for everyday need around the mobility.
Speaking of process, there is some heavy machinery here, some high-tech processes. Back here, if we can get a look at it, just come around here, just let our viewers know what exactly we're looking at. What's the technology and processes being displayed here?
Yeah, this is our 3K process where we use our thin film technology to bring in the best out of many of us. We choose sustainable materials, a high depth of engineering to make the supply chain as efficient. That means combining processes efficiently in a small form factor machine to give our customers the edge when it comes to cost saving and time to market in critical times.
You kind of have your pulse on the now of these technologies. What are you hearing from your customers? Where do they see this going, and how are you going to provide them with solutions?
Yeah, our customers demanding more and more flexible and more customizable solutions, and what we're going to do is we answer that just right away with the right choice of materials, the right choice of processes, and taking them by the hand to answer their questions for the future. It's matter, is it sustainability, is it recycling, is it process engineering? We're here for that.
Okay. Sebastian Roeming of Kurz, thank you for joining us.
It's my pleasure. Bye-bye.
So there it is, thin film technologies on display here at Kurz with heavy machinery and an absolutely full stand. This theme of circular economy, sustainability, it's a really interesting time after this hard-driven advances in the importance of this within the industry in, let's say, 2015 to 2020, a lot of government mandates, a lot of pressure on governments to create demands from industry to provide streams of recyclates, etc. We're in a different time now, but those mandates still exist, and industry, you can tell, is still trying to get their head around what's the future going to look like. Are we going to stay where we are now with the current mandates? Are they going to be advanced, possibly dropped? It's a really interesting time. We're seeing that how that shows itself to the market is through price pressure. People are willing to take the next step, but they need to know that it's going to be a value added to their systems, to their company, to their technology. We are already here. It was a long way, but we are here at BASF, a household name to anybody not even in the plastics business. We are speaking to Sarah Rummel. She is communications for Europe. For advanced technologies within the company. Tell us, it's just an absolute amazing stand with so many facets here. What's the overriding theme here being presented?
Yeah, so our claim is our plastics journey. That means that we describe here all the phases of the product life cycle, which are make, use, and recycle. And the visitors here can really explore what does that mean. So what is behind here? What do we present as solutions? And we have interactive exhibition items, but also customer cooperations, which we present here. That can also be seen here at the next station, Recycle, for example, where we can really explore the technologies that happen, or we are developing also with our partners. Yeah.
I see it here behind us, a very popular space, and very well done, I must say. There's a lot to see here and very well explained. Just let us know what's going on here, what's being shown.
Yeah, that is our recycling interaction. So here we present really the recycling technologies depending on the different waste streams. And that is where people can really see the overall basis, how does it work, and then the idea is to bring them to the exhibition items where we present very different applications for example, in the furniture industry. We have here a freezer, a cooperation with Liebherr, where people can really see how does that really happen in real life, and which applications are already here on our booth.
Now, a company like BASF, they have fingers into many different areas of chemicals in general, but specifically plastics. Where do you see customer demands going in the future? What solutions are you, as BASF, going to need to bring to the market in order to satisfy your existing customers and new ones down the road?
So we have already talked about recycle, but of course also the area of make is very important. So that is where customers really want also to lower their CO2 emissions, and this is also where we can give contributions in different areas, because we have the BASF Verbund, which is our integrated production network. And here we have different levers. So on the one hand side in the area of technologies, but also in the raw materials to search for alternatives, and in the end to reach a very specific PCF, which is lower than the normal basic PCF. Yeah.
Got it. Well said. Sarah Rommel, thanks for joining us at K 2025.
Thank you. Welcome.
And there it is from the stands in Hall 5. As you can see, whether we go deeper into greater demands from government, or we need to find greater value through the existing demands, industry is ready to provide. Thanks for joining us from Hall 5 at K 2025.